Yeah, for everyone, we're going to do something a little different today. I have a Canva tutorial for you now. Before we get started, you must have Canva Pro to do this, okay? We all know that we want to add captions to our videos, and I have found the fastest, most efficient way to add captions to my videos with Canva. Okay, so I'm gonna start working on a video. I'm actually just gonna go to create. I'm gonna work on a mobile video right here. I'm gonna drag a video in. Let's work on one of my wrestling videos from yesterday's broadcast. I'm just going to drag it in. I'm doing this in real time. Okay, I'm not pausing. There's no editing. I'm going to wait for the video to load. We're going to wait together. I'm not going to do anything. You see right over here how it's got its little floaty, little water looking thing. That means the video is loading. Once the video's loaded, then you will be able to add captions. Okay. So we wait. Larger videos, larger wait time. This is a short video. It's only 90 seconds. I haven't trimmed the video yet. I'll trim the video later on my own time. But longer videos will have longer wait time. This is better for shorts, okay? This is better for shorts. Any video 3 minutes or less work on Canva. A little bit better. You could probably push it out to 5 minutes, but 3 minutes is probably better. We see how it's loaded here. I'm going to click on the video. Okay, click on the video. Going to play it, make sure it plays. It plays, and then right up here it says captions. I'm going to click on captions. Okay. Over here, it's going to give me options. I like these ones. I don't necessarily like that green color, so I'm going to choose a different color. Maybe I like a little purple. I'm going to choose a dark purple. Boom. Maybe I like that. And then down here, it'll say generate captions. And you just click on generate captions. I've chosen my color. You see my dark purple there. Generate captions right here. Boom. I'm going to click on generate captions and wait. Again, we're doing this in real time. We are just going to wait and boom. And then I like to play the video. And I'm going to drag my captions up here. Maybe I'll make them a little bit smaller and I'll stick them in the corner where there's some negative space on the video. Whatever you want to do for your video is up to you.
With the sweet fruit of your career in my hand, Star Rider, I am unstoppable.
Pretty good. And then, of course, I would edit my video.
So I don't know if you need to
check the captions. Always check the captions. Whenever you're generating captions like this, if you're not manually typing them yourself, always check your captions if they're generated this way by, let's be real, we're generating them with AI, Canva's AI here. Make sure the spelling is correct, especially with names, if they're spelled correctly. Like, for example, he's referring to someone by the name of Star Rider, a wrestler. It might spell it incorrectly, but you want to do that. So there is your Canva tutorial. Remember, you need Canva Pro. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Thanks, guys.